If you want to measure ECG with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then first of all, we will have to swipe up to open the list of apps, and you want to go to the Samsung Health Monitor app. And then in here, you can find the ECG option. So we're going to tap over here. Now we will have to set up the measurement with our phone. So we're going to tap on OK, and then you should be redirected to the Samsung Health Monitor. If you don't have Samsung Health Monitor app on your phone, then you will have to download it. You will have the option to do so. You should open the Galaxy Store with the app straight away, so you can download it. And unfortunately, it is possible to measure ECG only on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. If you have any other smartphone and it is paired with Galaxy Watch 9, you will not be able to measure ECG because unfortunately the Samsung Health Monitor app is exclusive to Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So once we are here, you can of course tap on Setup ECG. Over here, we need to simply follow instructions that you will see on the screen. So make sure to read them carefully and follow them, and then just go next through all of that information. So over here, we also have some precautions. Make sure to check them out as well, and then tap on Done. And you should be able to follow now this instruction to measure ECG. Once it is set up, I believe we should be able to go here. And there we go, we just reopened the Samsung Health Monitor app. And here we have additional instructions, so make sure that the watch is stuck on your left wrist. I believe for the wrist, it doesn't really matter which one. It actually depends on your settings. In the watch settings, you can actually choose the orientation and the wrist. And then once you are ready, just tap on OK. And rest your finger lightly on the home button. And then you should be able to measure your ECG. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.